Hello everyone. In this vertical, we will create first two LANs, that is local area networks, and then we will connect those two LANs with each other by using router. So let us start. We will do this practical using Cisco packet tracer, but right now I am doing the layout of the network. We will create one LANs. In that LAN where we will assign one PC. Okay, and the IP address of that PC is 192.168.1.2. We are going to create two LANs. The IP address of first LAN is 192.168.1.0, that is the network address, and LAN 1, and the network address of LAN 2 is 192.168.2.0, LAN 2. Okay, so in the first LAN we will use two PCs. Okay, the IP address of first PC is 192.168.1.2 and the IP address of second PC is 192.168.1.3, and the subnet mask of both the PC is default subnet mask of class C. Okay, and we will set the default gateway of this network is default gateway 192.168.1.1 and default gateway of this LAN 2 192.168.2.1. okay, but first of all we will check LAN connectivity, internal LAN connectivity, then we will connect those these two LANs. So let us take one switch. This is network switch. We'll connect this PC to this network switch on one port, and on second port this will connect this PC to this network switch. So now LAN 1 is ready. After doing this, we will check connectivity from this PC 192.168.1.2 to 192.168.1.3. If this connectivity is properly done, then our LAN is properly working. Okay, and then we will going to create another LAN by using one PC whose IP address is 192.168.2.2. take another PC 192.168.2.3. then we will connect both these PCs with in LAN using network switch. Okay, on different port. Then yes, the subnet mask of both these PCs is /24, that is default subnet mask of C. Then we will check the connectivity from 192.168.2.2 to 2.3 by using ping command. Okay, and if we get reply from this 192.168.2.3 then connectivity is okay. Okay, and if you want to check connectivity from 2.3 to 2.2, then you can also check. Okay, then we will connect these two switch with one router to connect these two different LAN with each another to so this will be our default gateway 192.168.1.1, and this will be default gateway for this network 192 168.2.1. Then we will check connectivity from 1.2 to 2.2. Okay, in this way our packet will flow, and we will get reply from this PC to this switch. Okay, so we will implement this small practical or small LAN using Cisco Packet Tracer. I think all of you are getting now. This is the network layout. Okay, if you have a query, then ask me in the comment section. Okay, so let us start Cisco Packet Tracer, which is really available software from Cisco. Then okay, you can download Cisco Packet Tracer from this by searching it from Google. Okay, so not from this website. Yeah, download for Windows. Okay, it is available in different version for Windows as well as Linux. You can download for your particular operating system. Okay, it is free available. Now this is the symbol of Packet Tracer, sorry, icon of Packet Tracer. I already highlighted it. So this is Packet Tracer. So in the Packet Tracer, as I explained in the slide, we have to take two PCs. So then the second PC, then IP address of this PC is 192.168.1.2, and I'm not setting the IP address, I'm writing over here at the bottom of the PC, so that we can, whenever we set, we will easily get from this. Okay, then we will take one switch from network device, then switch, you can see in the left bottom 2960. Okay, we are using 296024TT switch. Then we will connect these two PCs. If you want to connection, then you have to use this thunderstorm symbol. Then copper straight connection, we will not use copper crossover, because switch and PCs are both different families device. Then fast Ethernet 2. Okay, now we are going to set IP address. If you want to set IP address, then you have to double click on this PC, then go to desktop, then IP configuration. Here you have to write 192.168.1.2, subnet mask 255.255.255.0. This is the default subnet mask of class C IP address. Then default gateway, as I explained, 192.1.1 in the slide, right? So then second IP address 192.168.1.3, 192.168.1.1, right? Now let us check connectivity from PC 1.2 to 1.3. You have to use command prompt. Okay, now ping 192.168.1.3. we are getting reply from 192.168.1.3, hence the connectivity is okay. Now we are going to create another LAN. This PC, and the second PC. Then we will take one switch 960. Okay, then as we have done for LAN 1, 0/1, 0/2. What will be the IP? 192.162.2, and the IP address of this PC will be 192.168.2.3. So now if we want to set actual IP, address, then I have to click on this, double click on this desktop IP 192.168.2.2, 192.168.2.1. okay, then 192.168.2.3, I am setting the IP address for the second PC of LAN 2, 192.168.2.1. this is the default gateway for the LAN 2. okay, now check the connectivity from PC, this 2.2 PC to 2.3 PC. command prompt, type ping 192.168.2.3. okay, we are getting reply from 2.3, hence the connectivity is okay. So both the LANs are working fine. So now we are going to connect these two LANs with each other by using router. So I am in the network device. Fine, this is the router. Take 4321 router, then connect these two switch. Use gigabit Ethernet port because this router is also have gigabit Ethernet port. Then 0. okay, now connectivity is okay, connectivity is done. Then configuration, you can configure this router using CLI as well as GUI, but we do not have too more experience in the CLI, so we will do it by GUI. Click on this gigabit Ethernet 0/0/0. This is the gigabit Ethernet port. Then IP address, default gateway IP address 192.168.1.1. okay, and do not forget to turn on the port status. Just click checkbox, the port status is on. You can see the green line between this. okay, then second interface 192.168.2.1. okay, port status on, close. okay, both the green line. Now we are going to check connectivity from 1.2 to 2.2. then ping 192.168.2.2. it will take time because first time is packet is flowing from LAN 1 to LAN 2. it might be possible that first time we may not give response from this. okay, second time we got the response. okay, not pin 1.2.2, we got response from 2.2. let us check 2.3. okay, so the connectivity is okay from LAN 1 to LAN 2 because we are now pinging, we are trying to ping 192.168.2.2, that is the device from the of LAN 2, and we are trying to ping from the device from of LAN 1. okay, 192.168.1.2 is the device of LAN 1 and we are trying to ping 192.168.2.3, that is the device of LAN 2, and we are getting a reply from that PC, hence the connectivity okay between these two networks. So okay, that is, so what we have done, we have created two different LANs, local area networks, and then we have connected both the LANs with each other by using router. Okay, so this is the small computer network program we have done using packet tracer. So that's it. Thank you.